I would really suggest, if you don't have one, that you think about having some type of an action plan in place, a written action plan of how you will deal with a bed bug situation, even if you've never experienced one. Train your housekeeping staff to recognize the signs and symptoms of bed bug infestation. Track the rooms that you've had issues with. You may want to inspect any luggage or any personal products that are brought into that room, if that's possible for you. If there's one take-home message, is that they are extremely difficult to control in certain situations, and that if you do it yourself, or whatever your plan is, I hope you don't do it yourself, but whatever your plan is, that you have an action plan, that you have a consistent system in place that you can modify if you find a flaw in it, you have a way to verify it, and if you contract with somebody, I think it's extremely important that they follow up. You can tell if someone does a thorough job or not. If they don't have their eyes that far from the wall, I would be somewhat suspect. If they don't have a ladder with them, I'd really be suspect. Or a flashlight or a screwdriver, then I would be somewhat suspect.